Apo.
Yes.
Yes. Yung mga media pa, atrasan daw.
Yung media po.
Atrasan muna yung media natin. Family daw.
Ano sa po ka, ma'am? Ilang po muna tayo, ma'am?
Okay lang yan.
Ito lang muna tayo, ma'am. Ma'am.
Peace in my heart. My son has peace. We know what we're doing. He knows what he's doing. So nothing to worry about. God is in control. Thank you.
Ma'am, how would you compare your son's facing a billionaire this time around?
Matalino ang mga Pasigueño. Matalino na ang ating mga botante ngayon.
Sir, advice mo kay Mayor?
Keep up the good work. Doing a good job. I'm proud of him.
Reaction lang sa mga binabanat kay Mayor Vico.
Dito na sa labas.
Well,